Well, yesterday I went down to the recycling center, the environmental center here in Abilene, Texas, to pick up a rain recycling barrel, and they also gave me this kit. So I will go ahead and tell you a little about the kit and what comes in the kit. It comes with a instruction kit that tells you how to use it. It is only printed in English, so if you don't read English, you may not be able to read the instructions, but that's going to come in handy for me. Little website so you can go register your rain barrel if that's your deal. And let's take a look and see what parts we have. This is really handy for drilling the holes in the barrel. Looks like it has about 3 different sizes, so that should come in really handy. A couple of screws, a fitting, the spigot. I guess that would go inside there. The downspout tube. Now you'll notice this is a little bit different than most of the rain barrel recycling deals that you've seen. It's a fairly simple design. It goes into the side of the side of it like this, and the water runs down along this and then into the in through that, and then of course into the barrel itself. Then the hose, the attachment hose. One end will go into the barrel, and of course the other end fits in there like this. I guess I will do a video installing everything and show you this after I have it all set up. But I also went and I picked up a bung wrench. So if anyone needs their bungs removed or their bung tightened up, I can I can tighten up their bung hole.